if I switch the x with the y and the y with the x here, the y would end up in the exponent, right? So whenever that's the case, the answer is also going to be a log question, because that's how it works. Okay, so let's just do this. We've got 4 to the x, well, 4 to the y equals 5 to the x, if I put it in exponential form, right? Everybody see that? There he is. So that means that 4 to the x equals 5 to the y. Everybody get that?
Wait, why'd you move the y over?
I just changed the x with the y and the y with the x. We are finding the inverse of this, so you have to change.
I didn't see the 4. Blind.
Okay. So now we have another exponential, and if we want the y alone, we need to make the y the guy in the answer, because the answer to a log question is the exponent that I have to put on a base. So the base is 5, and this is 4 to the x. So that is my final answer, because I left the y alone. Okay, the first thing I did here was I divided by -1, and I made this a negative y equals 1/3. And since it's a 1 upstairs, we can give everybody the same exponent. Then what I did was I put it in logarithmic form. Log base 1/3 of negative y equals 1 plus x. Then I switched the x with the y and the y with the x. So log of 1/3 is negative x, of at negative x equals 1 plus y. And to leave the y alone, you subtract 1. So log of base 1/3 of negative x minus 1 equals y. So I know that to get a 1 answer of a log question, it's the log of 1, let's write this down, of negative x minus the log of 1/3 of 1/3. Log base whatever of the same number is equal to 1 equals y. Everybody see that? And if you have a minus in between of 2 logs, it's the log of 1/3 of negative x over 1/3 equals y. And negative x divided by 1/3 is negative 3x equals y. And that is the answer.